Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to add a gift card to Dix Supporting Goods application. So to use Dix Supporting Goods gift card in the application or online, you just have to follow these steps. So first one is open the Dix Supporting Goods application or website, and you have to ensure that you're signed into your account. And then step two is shop and add items to your cart. So you can browse and select the items that you wish to purchase. So after that, just proceed to checkout. So when you're ready, you go to your cart and initiate the checkout process. So there must be a checkout button. So you just have to click on that. And then step number four is enter gift card details. So you can locate the option to add a gift card during payment. So you have to input the 16-digit gift card number and the associated PIN found on the back of the physical cards or in the email for e-gift cards. So after that, just apply the gift card. So after entering the details, you have to apply the gift cards to your order and then just complete your purchase. So if the gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you have to select an additional payment method to cover the balance. So that's basically it. That's how you add a gift card to Dick's Sporting Goods application. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!